All right, guys, welcome to lesson 13.6, Choose an Operation. Our goal for today, decide when to use addition or subtraction to solve a problem. So the only two operations we're going to use are either plus or minus. That's it. First, let's look at an addition example. There are 25 blue birdhouses for sale. There are 17 red birdhouses for sale. How many birdhouses are for sale? I'm going to circle the numbers that it gave me because that's going to help me focus on those numbers. I have 25 blue and 17 red. How many birdhouses are for sale? So I'm looking for a total. So I have two parts. I have 25 and I have 17. So I need to add those together to get the whole. 25 plus 17. First I add the ones place. 7 plus 5 is 12. I put the 2, carry the 1. 2, 3, 4. 42. Yep, that was right. Now let's look at an example that shows us how to do this with subtraction. Only 13 blue birdhouses get sold. How many blue birdhouses do not get sold? So we know we started out with 25 blue birdhouses and 13 got sold. And I want to remind myself that that number was 25, so I'm going to make a note there. The whole is 25. One of the parts was 13. So I need to find the missing part. 25 minus 13. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 12. Yep, that was right. We can also use subtraction to compare two amounts. How many more blue birdhouses are there than red birdhouses? So if we look back at the top, we had 25 blue and 17 red. 25 blue, 17 red. I start with the bigger number to find the difference and subtract the smaller number. 5 minus 7. I can't do that. I need to go to my neighbor and borrow. So I cross him out and I make him a 1. And I make this 5 a 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 1 minus 1, 0. So I don't need to put anything. And that was the correct answer. Let's try one together on the back. There are 47 children in the class. 19 children make crafts. How many children do not make crafts? Think. I know the total and one part. I need to find the other part. So I'm going to circle my numbers to help me. We had 47 and 19. So there were 47 children all together in the class. So that's a big class. So that is my whole. There's 47 altogether. 19 of them made crafts. So that's one of my parts. But how do I know if I need to add or subtract? Well, if I added the 19 kids that made a craft and the 47 altogether in the class, would that tell me how many of the children did not make a craft? No. But if I took how many are in the class altogether and subtract how many did make a craft, I'll find out how many did not make a craft. So 47 minus 19. 7 minus 9. I can't do that. Go to my neighbor and borrow, cross them out, make him a 3, and make this guy a 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. 28 children, and I'd fill in my other part. Try the next 3 all by yourselves.